Hello students, so we are discussing the chapter that is magnetic effect of electric current. So we have already seen what is magnetic effect of electric current. So last class we have seen that is magnetic effect produced by a straight current carrying conductor. So in this class what we will see, after that we have seen right hand thumb rule. So let me repeat that if you are not there. So it is right hand thumb rule. If I consider this pen as a conductor, okay, see here like this, so the current is in the direction of my thumb. Okay, similarly suppose if I am holding the finger like this, so if the thumb is giving the direction of current, idu wire ankori, ee wire the current ಹೊಟ್ಟದ ಹಿಂಗ straight, so ಹೆಂಗ ಥಂಬದ direction ದಾಗ ಹೊಂಟದ, ಅವಾಗ ಇವು ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಏನದಾವಲ್ರಿ, ಇವು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, so these indicate like this magnetic field lines. Okay, these indicates magnetic field lines. Okay, so magnetic effect of electric current, so that magnetic effect of electric current. So here, so what is magnetic effect? You already know this. Okay, so a current carrying conductor produces magnetic field around it, so this process we can call it as magnetic effect of electric current. So magnetic effect of electric current, after that we have to know what is magnet. Main important thing in this is properties of the magnetic field lines. So those are already important. I had told first property is the magnetic field lines emerges from north pole and merges at south pole. Okay, then second property, what is the second property of magnetic effect of electric current? Sorry, magnetic field lines. If the magnetic field lines are closed curves, if the magnetic field lines are more crowded, the magnetic field strength will be more. If the magnetic field lines are less crowded, magnetic field strength will be less. Okay, so these always, and most important property, two magnetic field lines or magnetic field lines never intersect each other. So magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Why this is? Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Why is it happens? Look here all of you, two magnetic field lines, they never intersect each other. Okay, and what is important here? What is most important thing here? Okay, because I will tell you, this is one magnetic field line, this is other. Suppose if they intersect at this point, suppose if they intersect here, what happens? There will be this direction and here will be this direction. Okay, so in this direction and in this direction, what we can say? Tell me what we can say. In this direction and in this direction there is two direction. These indicates what? As I already told, magnetic field lines indicate the direction, indicates the direction of the magnetic field. So here if the line is cutting, intersecting, means we are getting one point, that one point is giving intersection of two lines. So intersection of two lines is what? It is intersecting. Intersecting in the sense we are having two directions for magnetic field, so which is not possible. Magnetic field or electric field, whichever displacement, whatever, vector quantities have only one direction. So magnetic field can never have two direction. But if two lines intersect, there is a chance that the magnetic field is having two direction, which is impossible. That is impossible. So this process is called, so this is the reason. So this question will be definitely asked. So please remember this. Magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, in this chapter they will ask why two magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Because if they intersect, at the point of intersection, there will be two directions of magnetic field, which is not possible, which is impossible. Okay, then after that, direction of magnetic field through a straight conductor. Last class we have seen that. Okay, so that one you have to remember. And in this class we are going to see about magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. Magnetic field due to a current through circular loop. So this chapter is a little bit imagination, so better you concentrate properly, otherwise it's too difficult. Okay, see here. Just I will take the diagram. Okay, so here we can see the diagram. So that is one normal pole will be there. That is one end we can say north, other end we will say south. Okay, so here okay, these are the magnetic field lines. So here you can see like this. These are the magnetic field lines. Okay, so you can clearly observe this is the magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. Okay, you can see the circular loop here. Okay, so they are in this direction. How are they direction? Clockwise. Okay, but here they are in reverse direction. Say anti-clockwise. They are moving anti-clockwise here. Here they are moving clockwise. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. See here, magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. Circular loop dinra magnetic field hang sigtada. Okay, that one you have to concentrate. So what is that? We have so far observed the pattern of the magnetic field lines produced around a current carrying straight wire. Current carrying straight wire we have already seen. Okay, but we have to observe here magnetic field lines produced around a current carrying straight wire. Suppose this straight wire is bent in the form of circular. See, the same straight wire, we have to bend it in the form of circular loop like this. ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ವೈರ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, and as current is passed through it, how would the magnetic field lines look like? We know that magnetic field produced by a current carrying straight wire depends inversely on the distance from it. See, straight current carrying conductor, we have seen the magnetic field is what we can say inversely proportional to the distance, directly proportional to the amount of electric current passing. Straight conductor ಎಷ್ಟು electric current pass ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು magnetic field produce ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. How much distance it is moving from the conductor, that much less. That means distance inversely proportional, then this directly proportional, that is amount of electric current passing, that is directly proportional. Yes. Similarly, every point of a current carrying circular loop, the concentric circles representing the magnetic field around it, it would become larger and larger as we move away from it. See here. Here we are seeing the magnetic field. These concentric circles you already know. If a circle are having same center, this is the center for all the three circles, then we can say that these are concentric circles. These are what? Concentric circles. Okay. So concentric circles. Now, can you say me, these concentric circles may have two directions. It may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. These concentric circles represent the magnetic field lines around the circular loop of a conductor. This is the circular loop of a conductor. Here is the connection. This is the connection. This connection kotirtare wire, battery. So that connection, if they start flowing electric current. When the electric current starts flowing, then you can observe the magnetic field lines here. And these concentric circles represent the magnetic field around the circular loop. I hope this much is clear. There may be two directions, clockwise or anti-clockwise. And see, as they move away from the circular loop, the circles will become bigger and bigger. Just like what happens when you throw a stone, let me not say stone, some light object on the river. Now, nadi olag kallu hogitidivi madala hengo hogitidivi hing direct hogidal mate. Okay, so e type side ondindra hogitidivi adu enagtittu nadi neer mele bidda one putta innond putta move akot hogtittu. So the bounce will happen, the stone will bounce if you throw it laterally. So after that, what happens? You will see the circles near that. Okay. When you put something, say, when you put an object inside the water, so they will get what? Concentric circles will become. So how they will be? They will become bigger and bigger as they move away. So the first concentric circle is having small area, second one is having more area, third one is having more area. So as it move away from the circular loop, they will become bigger and bigger and bigger. So this process we can say because of the circular loop of electric current is carrying the current. Okay. Then, by the time we reach at the center of the circular loop, the arcs of these big circles would appear as straight lines. Yes. Remember here. So, these, there will be bigger one. There will be another bigger one. There will be another bigger one. You hang bandu nodri. Okay. So, but this one looks like a straight line. So they almost getting straight line. Then it becomes circle. This one becomes circle. And this one, look all of you, it becomes a straight line. As we move to the center of the circular loop, these arcs will look like the straight line. This thing you have to remember. Okay. Every point on the wire carrying current would give rise to the magnetic field appearing as straight lines at the center of the loop. By applying the right hand rule, it is easy to check that every